G'day everybody, Strummin Steve here. James Taylor, he wrote some great stuff, didn't he? This one he wrote way back in 1970, one of his big hits called Fire and Rain. Now it has deep meaning, of course, for James, because he wrote about events that had impacted his life up to that stage. And here's a fun fact, Carole King, his good friend, plays piano on this song as well. So I hope you enjoy it. Fire and Rain. Yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans I made, they put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember what I sing to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you again. Help me make a stand. You just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I'm not gonna make it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind to an easy time, turns towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, well, it'll turn your head around. There's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come, sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Well, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you again. See you again. Yeah. Good song, eh? I like playing it. Yeah. Thank you, James, for writing that. It's a cracker. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.